Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Chase Bank, one of the biggest and most well-known bank in the United States, offering a wide range of financial products and services. Chase Bank provides everything from checking and savings account to credit cards, mortgages, and investment services. Their mobile app is highly rated for its ease of use and functionality, making banking convenient whether you're managing money, paying bills, or depositing checks. With thousands of branches and ATMs nationwide, access is easy. Chase also offers rewards programs and premium service for customers who want extra perks. One of the biggest advantages of Chase is its extensive network and variety of products that can cater to almost every financial need. However, some users point out that fees can be higher compared to smaller banks, and customer service experiences vary. For those who prefer in-person banking, Chase's widespread physical presence is a big plus. But overall, Chase Bank is a solid choice if you want a full-service bank with a lot of options and nationwide accessibility. And thanks for watching. Please like this video, leave your questions in the comment, and subscribe for more banking reviews and financial guides. Catch you in the next video.